Attorney General Githu Muigai said the swearing-in of the new president could go on in the absence of the Chief Justice. According to the Constitution, Section 141, on the assumption of office of the president, the swearing-in of the president-elect shall be in public before the Chief Justice, or in the absence of the Chief Justice, the Deputy Chief Justice.
The Chief Justice and I have agreed that notwithstanding the lack of a substantive holder in the office of the Deputy Chief Justice, and for abundant caution, we deem that if in the very unlikely event the Chief Justice is unavailable, the senior-most judge of the Supreme Court will be available to conduct the swearing-in.
The Attorney General said the government will not manipulate the electoral body. Added that the government will support the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission to ensure a peaceful election. The AG warned civil servants against engaging in politics, saying those found will be prosecuted accordingly.
The government is committed to a policy of non-interference whatsoever in the work of the conduct of the election. The government recognizes that the IEBC is an independent commission.
IEBC Chairman Isaac Hassan urged everybody to observe the elections code of conduct and appeal to those vying for elective positions to abide by the rules.
We are aware that some candidates have told their supporters to wait in the polling stations after they vote. We want to say that that's not advisable. People should leave the polling station to allow other Kenyans who have also come to vote peacefully and to wait for the results as they're going to be announced by the presiding officers.
The Director of Public Prosecutions, Keriako Tobiko, said his office has appointed 35 officers will prosecute election offenders. Chief Justice Willy Mutunga saying the judiciary has set aside a criminal court that will deal with post-election cases, including petitions from dissatisfied contenders.
I assure this country that the sad and tragic episode of 2007 will not be repeated and cannot be allowed to be repeated, for the simple reason that we are more prepared, we are more well organized.
The judiciary is fully prepared to resolve all disputes that will come to our courts within the timelines that are given by the Constitution.
The Inspector General of Police, David Kimayo, said the GSU have been posted in Kisumu, Naivasha and other hotspot areas with other teams on standby for any erupting violence. It's now all systems go ahead of the March 4th general election. The election team has already declared its readiness in ensuring a peaceful, transparent and credible general election. And with only 5 days left to the ballot, Kenyans have been urged to stay calm and peaceful as they exercise their democratic right. For JSO at 7, I'm Stephen Letoo.